Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to skate faster in Skate. If you've been looking to increase your speed and improve your gameplay, you're in the right place. This is a straightforward technique that will have you zooming across the map in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to enter Skate mode. To do this, simply press the Y button on your controller. This activates the dedicated skating stance that's crucial for achieving maximum speed in the game. Once you're in Skate mode, the next step is to push forward on the left stick. Make sure you're holding it in the upward position consistently. This basic movement provides your initial momentum, but we're looking to enhance this even further. Now for the key technique, while you're pushing forward on the left stick, press the left stick button, which is commonly known as L3. This action needs to be performed once while maintaining that forward pressure. This simple combination initiates a faster skating mode that significantly increases your overall speed. By following these steps in sequence, you'll notice an immediate boost in your skating velocity. This technique is incredibly handy when you need to cover large distances quickly or when competing against others in time-based challenges. It's important to practice this movement until it becomes second nature. So let's not by half sen. The timing between entering skate mode and performing the L3 press can make a difference in how effectively you gain speed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to skate faster in Skate. This simple yet effective technique will transform your gameplay experience by allowing you to navigate the world more efficiently. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.